Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can install Android Studio, and also I'm going to show you how you can set the path for Android Studio. So if you are new to this channel, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel, and we can start the video now. Okay, so first of all we have to download the Android Studio installer. So for that we have to download it from the official site. So open Google Chrome and search Android Studio download. Click on the first link and click on the download Android Studio Electrical. It is the latest version as of now. And click on download, and download is started. So download will take some time, and let it just finish first. Okay, so download is completed now. So we just go quickly to the download folder and run the installer. Double click on it. Okay, click next here, next and install. Just leave the configuration setting as default, no need to change anything. If you want to change the directory you can change it, otherwise leave it. And the installation is started now. It will be done in just a minute. So once the installation will be done, then I will show you how you can set the path for the Android Studio in environment variable. Okay, click next and finish. Click OK. It is loading right now. We have to install the SDK also. So click on don't send, next here, and choose the default one. Click next. So this is the addition we have to download and install it. This is the path for the Android SDK. So it will be helpful once the installation is done to set the environment variable path and accept the terms, accept and finish. So now the installation is started. So it will take some time. So now it is installed. So what we have to do, we have to set the path now. So let me just quickly show you the path of the Android SDK. So as you can see, Android SDK location. So this is the path where the Android SDK is installed in our system. So let's navigate to the path. Open. First we have to check the Android SDK ADB drivers. It is showing in starting or not. So as you can see, it is not recognized yet. So what we have to do, we have to add the path, and then we have to run the ADB drivers command again, then it will show you. So go to the users and go to your users, go to app data, go to local, and go to Android SDK and copy the path. Go to environment variable settings, click on change variable. Here you have to put the variable name as Android underscore home and paste the path which you have copied. Click OK. Again go to the path and select the platform tools. Again paste it in the path. Also we have to add platform path also. So let's copy the path and paste it on the path section here and click OK. OK and OK. So the path has been set now. We have to verify it. Open CMD and type ADB drivers devices, sorry. So you can see if you get this option, it means that the path is successfully configured on your system. So this is how you can easily install and configure the path for Android Studio. So kindly like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.